Of course, much more information available on abcnews4.com immediately. Switching gears now, many people start their day with a hot cup of Joe. If you're like me, it's about 3 or 4. Oregano Gold Coffee and Tea takes an organic approach and has come up with a delicious line of coffees to help jumpstart your day. With that, we welcome Toria Avant and Ivan Jameson from Oregano Gold to join us now with a whole bunch of samples. You guys got great gifts. We appreciate that. Yeah. Thank you so much. Toria, what makes Oregano Gold so much different? It's great. It's easy. It's quick. We've had it here before, and it's delicious. And really, there's no process time. You just put water into it, and it's done.
Absolutely. That's the great thing about it. It's instant, but it's the fresh-tasting cup of brew. That's what it seems like. Yeah. But really what sets us apart is the fact there's an herb infused into our coffee as well. So if you ever notice that you feel real good and energetic, that's because of that amazing herb. It dates back over 6,000 years old, actually.
So it's just not your regular run-of-the-mill cup of coffee. There's a little power packed in that coffee as well.
Absolutely not. According to my opinion, it's actually the world's best-tasting, healthiest coffee.
Really?
Absolutely.
Well, you brought several samples along here today. There's so many different flavors.
Yes, there are.
What are some of your favorites?
Well, my favorite is actually this one right here. It's the Cafe Supreme. Not only does it have the Ganoderma, which is the herb I'm speaking of, but it also has ginseng in it, but it's strong.
A little health benefit there, too.
Yeah, absolutely. Most definitely.
It gets you going in the morning, that's for sure. Now, the great thing about it is I've tried the black coffee blend, but there's different kind of lattes, things like that. Drinks that would normally take you about 15 minutes to make and about $5 to order at a restaurant, you can make right in your own coffee pot or coffee cup in just seconds.
Well, yeah, the great thing about this product is that you get to travel with it. All you need is hot water. And so any and everywhere I go, I never have to worry about my coffee tasting funny because I can bring it with me, and all I need is hot water, mix it in, and it tastes
Consistency
awesome.
In the morning with your cup of coffee.
Absolutely.
That is definitely
Everybody
key.
needs it.
It can really mess up your day if you get a bad cup. How can one go out and purchase this great product?
Well, we actually have a couple of my business partners that live here in the area, Ivan Jameson, and there's a website, and it's Have a Cup on Tea.
Have a cup on tea.
.organogold.com. Absolutely.
Got it. Well, right there, the information on your screen if you want to order and try some of this delicious stuff. This is a business venture as well. You guys can actually go out into the community and sell some of this stuff and make a different lot of friends and business contacts as well. In fact, you guys have an event tonight where people can come out and taste the coffee and learn more about the product.
Oh, well, absolutely. They'll get to hear from one of the best in the world, which is myself, of course. And yeah, definitely we have a free coffee tasting tonight at the Crown Plaza, and so you definitely want to come on out and get a chance to meet myself and my business partners. But yeah, it's a great opportunity. Coffee, who can't, really give away some free coffee and be able to see, the results from doing just that.
Well, that's the thing. Everybody drinks coffee.
Everybody. It's so
the
easy.
Great equalizer.
Exactly.
And this is
economy equalizer.
Exactly. Tell us about Oregano Gold. You guys do a lot with the community as well. You do a lot of giving back. Tell us about your efforts there.
Well, we have a foundation that our company created called OG Cares, but you also find a lot of our leaders doing great things for the community. We have an amazing fundraising program as well for organizations that are looking to raise money to come in from schools, churches, anything you can think of. We've got fraternities, sororities, all joining in to be able to add additional income to their organizations.
That sounds like wonderful projects right there. Great endeavors as well. The best part about this, it really is. All you have to do is pour that hot water into that cup.
That's it.
And it's done. Just stir it around a little bit. You know those machines? I have one at home. It cost me about $250. Yeah, that's gone. You don't have to do that anymore. It's such a great thing. So tell us whatever kind of makes the Oregano Gold so great and how many varieties that there are.
You know what? I've never counted, but we have as you can see, we've got the black latte, mocha, hot chocolate, green tea. We have now this is a brewed cup right here. Okay. This is Jamaican Blue Mountain, #1 coffee according to the Guinness Book of World Records. Yes, the green tea, the red tea. We even have an iced tea that is just phenomenal.
You guys do teas as well?
Oh, yes, we do. We do teas, we do hot chocolate as well, and if you can see, there's like toothpaste and soap. We're not really a coffee company. We're a Ganoderma company, but we use the product of coffee to introduce it to the marketplace because coffee's constant. Everybody knows it. It's addictive and it's ingenious if you think about it.
Right, it sure is. I've had it myself. I can tell you that it really did get me going for my day. So definitely check it out. Tell everyone when and where they can go down and try a sample of this one more time.
We'll be at the Crown Plaza tonight, 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, and so you can come on. Just bring whoever you want. It's free for you. We'll give you free samples to actually taste for yourself and bring home with you.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, if you want to come too, you can.
Free samples. That's actually my bedtime. I don't need to be drinking coffee at that time. But you do actually have a cup of coffee as well right before you go to bed, right?
Oh, I do. I drink it all day. I'm like, it's a problem.
There you go. A whole bunch of varieties, great stuff right there. Guys, thank you so much for coming on. Make sure you check them out tonight. All the information on the bottom of your screen right there. Right now, we're going to toss it over to more Low Country Live with Tessa.